There's a legitimate river in my front yard right now, going down the sidewalk. This is insane. Oh my gosh. Wow. Man, it is crazy out here. It's just been storming all day because of Hurricane Beryl. I think it's Hurricane Beryl. Could be Daryl, could be Beryl. But that was empty when we started the day. That tub, so you can see how much water we've been getting. It's wild. The garden is flooded over there too. There's just so much water. Wow. I couldn't even step over there if I tried. That is insane. I wanted to quickly come in here and check things. I had a feeling this was overflowing and leaking out. Looks like it is. But I'm going to fill up. Holy crap. What? Whoa. Wait a second. There is way more water in here than I realized. Holy shit. What? Whoa. What? What? Are you kidding me right now? Holy shit. We have never seen it like this. Ever, have we? The water is just coming. It's coming and coming and coming. There is a huge, like a dam. We basically built a dam. But I did put drainage pipe under here, but it's just too much. It's too much for the torrential downpour, the hurricane wet. Look. Oh my gosh. You see this? You're like, oh, that looks really nice. No, it's a swimming pool. I'm almost knees up on this. This is crazy. It is just flowing out. But not fast enough. Wow. This is crazy, man. We're gonna have to do some serious redesign back here now. First load of rocks. Now you. Wow. We gotta go the whole way. Okay. Things are coming along. I got the rock border in. The stone is like a third of the way. We're pulling up the old carpet we put down. Like, thank goodness I put down a fabric carpet. Like a weed blocker fabric, even though I hate it. It was perfect in this case because it kept everything separated from this smaller stone that we had put down with the French drain. And you can kind of see the French drain like right there. Okay, so there's like a black tube that goes the whole way down. Oh, actually, you can see it perfectly from here. See? And then it just drains away. But that was not enough, clearly, to contain the water flow. So now we are giving it a place to flow. The rains came. We didn't finish moving the whole pile of rocks in the back, but the rain is here. And look at that. Look at that puddle. I told you we gotta put way more in here. We gotta add a lot of rock. Yeah, it needs a channel. It needs a channel. Yeah.
Yeah, it wasn't really coming in yet. That's part of the problem, right?
Yeah, we need to make a channel for it. There you go. It's got to be a riverbed more like. Oh, now it's flowing. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, good job, babe. Oh, look at it. Okay. Check it out. It worked. There's a puddle of water. It's flowing into the river. It disappears. You don't even see it until it comes out this other end, which is exactly what we wanted. So I am very, very pleased right now. You can't even see it. It's under there. All that water. It's just going. Wow, it worked. I'm so happy.